Today, our lecture is on types of natural fibers. Natural fibers are the fibers that are derived from natural sources. We will discuss the different types of natural fibers and what are the examples of these fibers. Natural fibers are very commonly used in textile industry for manufacturing of yarn and fabric as well as garments. These natural fibers have different behavior and different applications with respect to end use. When we talk about the classifications, natural fibers can be classified in following classes like plant fibers, animal fibers, cellulosic fibers, protein fibers, fifth is bast fibers, sixth is leaf fibers, and the last is seed fibers. This is the classification of natural fibers. When we talk about the examples of these fibers, first the plant fibers, these fibers are obtained from plants such as cotton, linen, hemp, and jute. The second type is animal fibers. These fibers are obtained from animals such as wool, silk, cashmere, and alpaca. These are the animal related fibers. Third type is cellulosic fibers. These fibers are derived from plant cell walls like cotton, linen, and hemp. Those cellulosic fibers consist of cellulose and they are produced with regenerated methods or synthetic method with chemical reactions, but the main source is the wood pulp or the cell walls of the fibers of the plants. Fourth type is protein fibers. These fibers are derived from animal hair or secretions. When we talk about the examples such as wool, silk, and cashmere, as these are also fall in animal class and as well as protein fibers as because they have consist of large portion of protein. The fifth type is bast fibers. These fibers are obtained from stem of certain plants such as flax, hemp, and jute. Further, the sixth class of fiber is leaf fibers. These fibers are obtained from leaves of certain plants such as sisal and abaca. These are leaf fibers. Sisal fiber is used mostly in rope industry and it is classified in different categories A, B, C and have different applications of ropes. The last is seed fibers. These fibers are obtained from seeds such as cotton and kapuk. So cotton and kapuk falls in the seed fibers. Kapuk fibers is very rarely used. It is bulkier fiber, and cotton is a very regular used in textile industry, and this fiber is mostly used with the blending of other fibers, synthetic fibers or natural fibers. So these were the classifications of natural fibers. I hope by this lecture your concepts about the natural fibers would be very clear. See you in next lecture with another topic. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.